Hey guys, this is your Watch Me First for your submission of your final research paper. Your final research paper is due on Monday, April 26th by 11:30 p.m. So to put in the final research paper, you do not have a Dropbox for it because once you submit it on D2L, it directly goes to TK20 because it is recorded as your one of the key things you need as you graduate from the master's program. So to do that is this Watch Me First will be right over here, and you click on this research paper and you should be able, here I can see everybody's names, but you should be able to see your name and just click on it and submit your paper. It's as simple as that. And once you submit the paper, it will directly go to TK20 and I will also have access along with the rubric for it. If you have any questions, let me know. Best of luck.